Morning, pupils. This is Miss Comfort Ogundele, your agric science auntie. How are you and how's the lockdown? I hope you are all doing well and keeping safe. This morning, I would like to teach you a topic that you have already copied a note, which is fertilizer and types. First thing you should know is the topic outline. Fertilizer and types, method of application, and the importance of fertilizer. Now, the objective of this lesson is that at the end of the lesson, you should be able to list the types of fertilizer and explain the uses. 2. Mention 3 methods of applying fertilizer and explain each. At the end of the lesson, you define fertilizer. Now, the definition of fertilizer is an inorganic manure made from chemical substance which can be added to the soil as nutrient to our crops. Now, with this fertilizer, our crops will be able to grow faster and will come out well with the use of fertilizer. Then the types of fertilizer we have the simple fertilizer. They are fertilizer that contain only one plant nutrient, which is nitrogen fertilizer. And then the compound fertilizer or complex or mixed fertilizer contain 2 or more nutrients such as potash of nutrient and NPK, which shows the relative proportion of the nutrient to one another. N means nitrogen, P means phosphorus, and K means potassium. Compound fertilizer contains 2 or more nutrients that will be able to help the crops to grow properly. And then you have the picture down there, what it looks like. Then we have the method of applying the fertilizer. 1, we have the broadcasting method, which of course you spread it around the farm evenly. And then we have the ring method. It's a method which the fertilizer is placed near the plant in a circular hole, near your plant in a circular hole. Then we have the row or side placement. This is the method that we adopt when crops are planted in rows. It is applied few inches from the crops and then it will later be covered with soil. Number 4, we have band placement. The fertilizer are applied on 1 or 2 sides of each plant or seed. Then we have the importance of fertilizer. What are the importance of fertilizer? 1, it makes our crops to grow fast. It adds more nutrients to the soil. Any soil that has lost its nutrient, it adds more nutrients to the soil so that the crops can grow faster. Then it produces high quality yield. When you plant, if you're supposed to have 10 bags, but because of the fertilizer you apply, it's possible for you to have more than 10 bags of the grains you have planted because you have applied fertilizer. Now, we have come to the end of the lesson. Thank you. Make sure you copy your note properly and do your assignments. Thanks and God bless.